All right, this is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. You got to answer. How often do you use cell phone?
I use my cell phone often. I use it every day as it is an important part of my life. Moreover, I use my cell phone whenever I get free time at night before sleeping, and the first thing that I do in the morning is to use my cell phone. So to answer your question, I would say that I use my cell phone quite a lot.
Why do young people have a password on their cell phones?
Young people have a password.
Come on.
Young people have a password on their cell phones as they're afraid of the things they've kept in their phone or the private stuff. They're afraid. They think of their parents to be a threat for them. So to answer your question, I would say young people have kept password on their phone as a privacy.
All right. Why do young people have a protector on their mobile that others cannot see what's going on there? What's the reason for that?
Young people get that screen protector.
You know that young people.
Yeah, it's me.
Yeah. Okay. So,
young people get the privacy glass on their mobiles.
Privacy glass.
Privacy glass on the mobile phones as they think that the parents would be peeping into their phones. So as a precautionary measure.
The other day, some of my relatives, they complained. They said, "Tera munda pagal ho gaya." I said, "What happened?" He said, "Band mobile te ungla maran diya si." So there is that privacy glass. Others would see that there is nothing on the mobile, but yeah. All right, let's go on. Do you like listening to music on mobiles?
Yeah, I do like to listen to music on mobile. I listen to music whenever I'm doing workout or I am chatting with my friends. Moreover, I listen to music whenever I'm playing games and I'm going out. So to answer your question, I would say that I love to listen to music quite often, and I listen to it in almost every activity that I do using my mobile phone.
All right. Do you think young people will continue to use mobile in the future?
Yeah, I think so that young people would increase their use of mobile phones in the future, as well as in the future the technology would change quite a lot. Young children would not have to go to schools and they would take online classes on their mobile phones. So to answer your question, I would say that young people would use their mobile phones as a school as well.
All right. Now this candidate has answered so well. I'm so happy. I'm gifting you this mobile. Okay, here you go. Anytime.